Hey there, it's Haley at Seamwork and welcome to another monthly fabric video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Seamwork Maggie swimsuit and the Carrie romper. I'll show you a peek at the patterns, then we'll talk about fabric and what to look for. Maggie is a two-piece swimsuit with a scoop neckline, wide set straps, and a high-waisted bottom. For Maggie, you're going to want to shop for nylon, lycra, swimwear fabrics with a four-way stretch. You'll look for 60 to 80% stretch ratio. Steer clear of two-way stretch fabrics for this particular swimsuit. Some qualities that you're going to want to keep in mind when you shop for swimwear fabrics is, of course, stretch and opacity. Make sure you test the stretch percentage and double check that the fabric is totally opaque. If you're using a print, you'll also want to make sure that the motif doesn't crack or distort when it is stretched. Maggie is totally lined, and for that lining, you'll want swimwear lining fabric with four-way stretch and, again, 60 to 80% stretch. Again, staying away from those two-way stretch fabrics. For the photo samples this month, I bought a nylon spandex swimwear fabric from the Fabric Fairy. This fabric has 18% spandex, so it is super duper stretchy. I also like that it is really matte. The lining is a EcoFit recycled nylon swimwear lining. It is super soft and spongy and not too sheer, so it adds that extra layer of opacity. Next, let's talk about the Carrie pattern. Carrie is a trapeze fit romper with shoulder ties. I love how voluminous and swingy this pattern is. It offers a great opportunity to play with shape. You'll want to shop for light to medium weight woven fabrics such as linen, chambray, batiste, lawn, voile, rayon challis, cupro, and tencel. For this sample, I used a washed linen fabric. It's really soft and dreamy to wear, but has a bit of body to it, so it really brings out the dramatic shape of this pattern. The member bonus for Carrie transforms it into a trapeze style dress. For this sample, I chose a viscose linen slub. This fabric is pretty drapey, so it collapses against the body a little bit more, making for a less dramatic silhouette. There you have it, all of the fabrics for Maggie and Carrie. I'm feeling super inspired to go sew a Maggie and Carrie duo to go wear to the beach. But I am curious, have you sewn swimwear before? What was your experience like? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps other people who love sewing just like you do find our channel. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me and happy sewing.